There are Harley-Davidson motorcycles that dominate headlines, and then there are the ones riders quietly swear by. These aren't the flashy icons or showroom favorites. In fact, most people overlook them completely. But the riders who own them, they won't let them go. Today we're uncovering 7 underrated Harley machines that deserve way more attention. Number 7. Harley-Davidson Street 750. Most people dismiss the Street 750 without even giving it a chance. It's often labeled as not a real Harley simply because it was built for a younger global audience. And that reputation alone pushed it into the shadows. Underneath that criticism, though, sits a surprisingly capable machine. The Street 750 is powered by a liquid-cooled 749cc Revolution X V-twin engine. It's smoother than traditional Harleys, revs higher, and feels far more agile in city riding. With a low seat height and lightweight chassis, it's incredibly beginner-friendly while still offering enough torque to keep things fun. Here's where most people get it wrong. They compare it to heavyweight cruisers like the Softail or touring models, but that's not what this bike was built for. The Street 750 is about accessibility, maneuverability, and everyday usability, things many larger Harleys struggle with. Now let's talk about price. On the used market, you can find a Street 750 for around $3,000 to $5,000. And the reason it's so cheap is simple: branding perception. Many Harley purists ignored it, which reduced demand and pushed resale values down, but that's exactly where smart buyers win. You're getting a modern, liquid-cooled Harley that's easy to ride, affordable to maintain, and perfect for urban environments, all at a fraction of the cost of bigger models. For new riders or city commuters, this bike isn't just underrated. It's a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. But the next bike? It was misunderstood for a completely different reason. Number 6. Harley-Davidson XR1200. At first glance, the XR1200 doesn't even look like a traditional Harley. And that's exactly why many riders ignored it. This bike was Harley-Davidson's attempt at building a performance-oriented street tracker inspired by their flat-track racing heritage. But when it launched, it confused the market. Cruiser fans didn't understand it, and sport bike riders didn't take it seriously. Under the tank, though, is where things get interesting. The XR1200 comes with a 1202cc air-cooled Evolution V-twin engine tuned for higher performance. It delivers stronger mid-range power, sharper throttle response, and better handling than most Harleys of its times, and with upgraded suspension and dual front disc brakes, it's built to corner, not just cruise. So why did it fade into obscurity? Because it didn't fit into Harley's traditional identity. It was too sporty for cruiser lovers and too Harley for sport riders. It fell right into the gap and stayed there. Now, here's the opportunity. You can pick up an XR1200 for around $5,000 to $7,000 today. And the reason it's affordable is that it never gained mainstream popularity despite its performance capabilities. That means you're getting a unique, performance-focused Harley that stands out from the crowd without paying a premium. For riders who want something different, something with real attitude and handling capability, the XR1200 delivers in ways most people never expected. And somehow, the next bike is even more overlooked. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Dyna Superglide. The Dyna Superglide is one of those bikes that quietly exists in the background of Harley's lineup. It never had the flashy appeal of the Fat Bob or the cult following of the lowrider, so it got overlooked. But that's exactly what makes it special. This bike is powered by a range of V-twin engines depending on the year, typically between 1450 cubic centimeters and 1690 cubic centimeters. It delivers classic Harley torque, strong, low-end pull that feels effortless on highways and back roads alike. The Dyna frame gives it a raw mechanical feel that many riders actually prefer over the more refined Softail models. Here's the thing. It's simple. No unnecessary electronics, no overcomplication. Just a pure riding experience. So why doesn't anyone talk about it? Because it was never marketed as a flagship model. It didn't have a strong identity in Harley's lineup, and that made it easy to ignore. But that lack of hype has a major upside. Used Dyna Superglides can be found for around $4,000 to $6,000. And they're cheap because they were overshadowed by more popular Dynas, not because they lack quality. In fact, many experienced riders prefer them precisely because of their simplicity and reliability. If you're looking for a no-nonsense Harley that delivers an authentic riding feel without the inflated price tag, the Superglide might be one of the smartest buys out there, but wait until you hear about the next one. Number 4. Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom. The Sportster 1200 Custom is often dismissed as too basic or entry-level, and that perception alone has kept it under the radar for years. But that couldn't be further from the truth. This bike is powered by a 1200cc Evolution V-twin engine, one of the most proven and reliable engines Harley has ever built. It delivers strong torque, quick acceleration, and a surprisingly lively ride, especially compared to heavier cruisers. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether you want a relaxed cruiser or a customized build, the Sportster platform gives you endless possibilities. So why is it ignored? Because it's been around for so long. Familiarity made it feel less exciting, and newer riders often overlook it in favor of bigger or more modern-looking bikes. But here's where things get interesting. You can find a used Sportster 1200 Custom for as low as $3,500 to $5,500, and it's cheap not because it lacks performance, but because there are so many of them on the market. High supply equals lower prices. And that's a huge advantage for buyers. You're getting a proven, powerful, and highly customizable Harley at a price point that's hard to beat. For riders who value reliability, torque, and flexibility, this bike isn't just underrated. It's one of the smartest Harley purchases you can make. Number 3, Harley-Davidson Night Rod Special. This is the Harley that traditionalists didn't know what to do with. And that confusion is exactly why it slipped under the radar. The Night Rod Special doesn't follow the classic Harley formula. It looks aggressive, stretched, and almost futuristic. And for many riders, that was already too different. It didn't fit the chrome-heavy retro cruiser image people expected from the brand. But underneath that bold design is something seriously impressive. The Night Rod Special is powered by a 1250cc liquid-cooled Revolution V-twin engine, co-developed with Porsche. Unlike traditional Harleys, this engine revs high, delivers strong horsepower, and feels much closer to a muscle bike than a cruiser. It produces smooth, linear power with real top-end performance, something most Harleys don't even try to offer. So why did it get ignored? Because it challenged Harley's identity? Purists didn't embrace it, and new riders didn't fully understand it. It sat in an awkward middle ground. Now here's where things get interesting. You can find a Night Rod Special on the used market for around $7,000 to $10,000. And for a bike with this level of performance and engineering, that's surprisingly low. The reason it's cheap for what it offers comes down to perception. It never built a loyal mainstream following, which kept demand and prices lower than expected. But for smart buyers, this is a serious opportunity. You're getting one of the most powerful, best-performing Harleys ever made for the price of a mid-range cruiser. If you want a Harley that actually feels fast and modern, this isn't just underrated, it's misunderstood in the best possible way, and somehow, the next bike is even more quietly brilliant. Number 2, Harley-Davidson Road King Police. At first glance, this might not even seem like a bike you'd consider buying. It's a police motorcycle, built for duty, designed for function over style. And because of that, most riders completely overlook it. But that's a huge mistake. The Road King Police is powered by a Milwaukee 8107 or 114 engine, depending on the year. That means massive torque, smooth highway cruising, and the kind of durability that's built for long hours of continuous riding. This bike isn't just strong, it's engineered to survive extreme use. And that's exactly what makes it special. Police bikes are maintained on strict schedules. They're serviced regularly, inspected thoroughly, and built with heavy-duty components like upgraded cooling systems, stronger electrical setups, and reinforced frames. So why doesn't everyone want one? Because of the image. People assume these bikes are worn out or too official-looking. Others don't like the stripped-down aesthetic. But here's the reality. You can buy a used Road King Police for around $6,000 to $9,000, and the reason it's priced this way is because it came from fleet use, which scares off casual buyers. But that fear is often misplaced. In many cases, you're getting a well-maintained, mechanically solid touring bike that originally cost far more when new. For long-distance riders or anyone who values reliability over flash, this might be one of the best Harley deals out there. A bike built for professionals, now available for a fraction of the price. And finally, the one almost nobody expected. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. This is the kind of bike people walk past without realizing what they're missing. The Softail Slim doesn't scream for attention, it doesn't look overly modern or aggressively styled. In fact, it leans heavily into a stripped-down vintage aesthetic. And that simplicity is exactly why many riders underestimate it. But that's also its biggest strength. The Softail Slim is powered by engines like the Milwaukee 8107 or the older twin, Cam 103, depending on the year. That means strong, reliable torque with smooth delivery. Perfect for relaxed cruising and long rides. The Softail frame also gives it a cleaner look while maintaining comfort and stability. What really sets it apart is the riding experience. Low seat height, wide handlebars, and balanced ergonomics make it incredibly easy to control. It feels planted, predictable, and confidence-inspiring, whether you're a newer rider or someone with years of experience. So, why is it overlooked? Because it doesn't try too hard. In a lineup full of bold designs and flashy upgrades, the Slim feels quiet, subtle. And in today's market, subtle often gets ignored. Now let's talk about price. You can find a used Softail Slim for around $7,000 to $11,000, and it's priced lower than expected because it doesn't carry the same hype as models like the Fat Boy or Breakout. But make no mistake, this is not a lesser bike. For that price, you're getting classic Harley styling, modern performance, and a riding experience that's smooth, comfortable, and deeply satisfying. For riders who understand what really matters, the Softail Slim isn't just underrated. See, it's one of the most honest Harleys ever made. These are the Harley-Davidson motorcycles most people ignore, but the ones that riders who know truly appreciate. They may not have the hype, but they deliver where it actually counts. If you're looking for real value and character, these hidden gems are worth your attention, and trust me, you haven't seen the full list yet.